Welcome again, guys. Now in this tutorial you will see how to delete a given data from our database user information. So for that, let's add a delete button in activity update activity. So here is the design of our update activity. So let's add a button over it. Let's duplicate this in the update activity. So duplicate and change the ID to delete, and I have to change this update button delete. So here is output. So let's move to this. So I have adjusted in this Y. So let us move back to the text part, and I will give the ID to delete. Now let's move to the update activity and add a button for delete. So I have to give the value for this delete button. So I will add an event for this button. Delete.set on click listener this new view. Just alt enter and implement the methods. Then I will give a value over here. But for the time being, let's move to the so I have to declare a method void delete data. So I have to pass a string which holding the ID of the user to delete a specific row. So here I have to define my database SQLite database object. So SQLite database this dot get writable database. So I have to write a query just db dot delete, and I have to pass a table name, the parameter, and as a second parameter I have to pass the ID on which to delete an item. So this ID must be given dynamically, new string, and I have to pass so if the result is well, that means delete an item, is not far fulfilled, so I will it will just display this message for us. Failed to delete. Else it will execute this block of code updated, just deleted successfully. So nice. Now let's move back to update activity and define an alert dialog over here. So in this confirm dialog, I have to write an alert dialog dot builder and I have to give the context for this. I have to set the properties of the builder object. So the first is set title. Okay. It's there. Then I have to pass just the name of the user over here. I have to concatenate. So the other is a message property. So set message. Well, then I have to set the properties of the builder object. Set positive method. Set positive button. And I have to pass a string over here, yes, and dialog interface. Set on click. And here I have to call my database helper class db, and I have to pass the context set dot. So I have to call a method for deletion dot data, and I have to pass the ID of the user. Well, so I have to set also the negative button builder dot set negative button, and string no. So here I want to do nothing, so dialog dot, this dialog is an instance of dialog interface. So we have done negative, a positive button, and the property of alert dialog in general, and we have to call this method over here. So we are on the way to finish program. Let's test it. So when I run the program, it will give results as we expect. Sorry guys, one thing that I miss is to create over here builder dot create dot, otherwise it will not work. So rerun again. So the output of the program is this. So if I click over any row, it launch this activity. So if you press the delete button, it will request an option. So if you press the no button, then it will do nothing. If you press yes, then it deleted successfully the data. So if you refresh the output, the layout, so it is deleted automatically from your table. So if you want to delete any item like this, you can delete whatever you want. So this is all about how to delete a given item from database tables. And thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.